Welcome to the OntargIT podcast series, where we do insightful conversations with experts from the world of business and technology. In this episode, we talk with Ron Baer, CEO of Archidata Services, New York-based company, about their Microsoft Dynamics 365 sales implementation experience. Hello, my name is Igor. I'm a project manager in OntargIT, and today we're talking with Ron Baer, who is the director of Archidata Services, the company in which OntargIT has implemented Microsoft Dynamics 365 sales. And before we go into details about the project, Ron, could you shortly introduce yourself, tell a bit about Archidata Services and your role as a customer?
Okay. Archidata have been in the business in New York. We're celebrating this year 35 years, and we evolve with the years with technologies. Sometimes we are very advanced in our technology in our core business, but sometimes we were lagging a little bit behind on the peripheral software, and we had a CRM that we felt that does not provide us what we need. So we were looking to implement a new CRM system. What we do in New York, we providing we are in AEC industry, architectural engineering construction company. We provide services for this industry. And we constantly in our core business looking for new technologies. So we are very strong in that arena, but not we were needed help and support in the peripheral software.
I see. Thank you. How did you come across OntargIT, and what led you to choose us from the Microsoft Dynamics 365 sales implementation?
Okay, so first of all, I was looking in general what kind of software to implement, the one that will be the best suited for what we are looking to do. And we were looking at different CRM out there. There are many CRM companies out there, and then we chose Microsoft because it's on in one umbrella, and we really like that how it's implemented with the rest of our software. So I was looking to partners on Microsoft website, Gold Partner. I was looking, I saw that there are those differentiation between partners, and I was looking for Gold Partner. And at that time, um, the war started, and I thought it would be a great idea to help companies that probably are in distress in this situation. So I was looking to find a CRM implementer like yours in Ukraine. This is how I found you.
Great, great. Thanks. So it was one of the factors because of this you decided to work with us.
Yes.
Great, great. Thanks. How has the war impacted the quality of services provided by OntargIT? Were your expectations met, exceeded, or not met? And can you share some examples related to aspects such as communication, project management, support, maybe some other aspects of our collaboration?
Okay, so I personally didn't feel that on Target IT was had any issues with the war that you guys you tried to answer any question or concern I have, and I didn't feel that the war has any effect on that. So I felt that you provided good service, and I didn't feel that you were under war or not in the war. it was for me, it was the same, and so I felt you provided a good service. Um, there were some weak points, which was a little bit here and there, some miscommunication between us. But I think we had a lot of meeting. We used Teams and we talked and we explained what we are looking for, how to implement that, what are the changes that we want to implement. And so overall, I didn't feel that there were any issues at all.
Mhm. Mhm. Yeah, nice to hear it. Thank you. Um, and how has collaborating with OntargIT on the project and implemented solution affected your business?
Uh, it affected tremendously
Mm,
because now we have the ability to be more organized, to understand um, how our customers, who are the customers, how many projects we have in with each customer, the way it's integrated with our email system, the way it's implemented with the other software that you combine for us, the processes that we had to do manually, processes, and you automated that for us, which helped us tremendously because it saves us time. We, as a company, we always looking to how to improve our processes. Constantly, we are trying to improve our processes, and we believe in lean processes, which is the Toyota way.
mhm,
And so, meaning that we are never satisfied what we have. We're always looking for something to improve. And we felt that it was great improvement, and it saved us a lot of time and sometimes aggravation that we didn't understand where things are, and so it smoothed our operation. And so now we're even looking for what is the next step to even improve on that, how we can improve on what we have currently, because as I told you, we are never satisfied in terms of improvement.
mhm, mhm. Yeah, that's great news, and we're really happy to hear that we helped you. And apart from technical and functional expertise, has working with OntargIT provided any valuable business insights that have benefited Archidata Services?
Uh, in general, I didn't know so much in depth on the CRM. I knew the vision where I want to go,
Mhm,
and I didn't know if things are possible to do that. I knew what I wanted in general, but I didn't know if things are possible. But on Target IT, definitely you implemented what I wanted. So you implemented my vision, and we were able to move forward accordingly.
great, great. And as a customer utilizing Microsoft solutions, how do you envision the future of these technologies for businesses? What value do you believe they bring, and how can they continue to evolve and improve? Your point of view.
Yes. Um, I think it probably has a lot to do with AI, how it's going to sometimes for us we are looking ways to attract new customers, and probably some kind of AI implementation behind the scenes that will feed automatically new information and to reach out to new customers, or those all those processes that we currently do. For example, we set up telephone calls to customers. Maybe it will be automatically once you initiate once to do it repeatedly every 2 weeks or 3 months, what have you. So I can see a lot of improvement can happen in this arena, and also the implementation of the other Microsoft product. One thing is, I think Microsoft project, the way it's right now with Microsoft, I think they can improve a lot the integration of Microsoft project and CRM. We have not decided to implement Microsoft project. We didn't feel that it's where it will take us where we want, and the integration between the CRM is not that we didn't feel that strong. So I believe that if they will implement a little bit more entwine those all those software like Microsoft Project, Microsoft, the CRM, they also they have their Microsoft like QuickBooks. They have their own. So I think that those integration, I hope that it will be a little bit easier and more intertwined between them. They can talk much better than now.
Yeah, that's good that you share your feedback and your vision about the possible development of Microsoft projects. Thank you for your vision. It was a big pleasure to talk with you. Thank you for the meeting.
Thank you very much.